Hi, I'm a training specialist of Microsoft in the Office of Information Technology at UT Dallas, and today I'm here to show you a quick tip on how to dress up your OneDrive folders. So if you see right here on my screen, we are in OneDrive Online. I'm within the OIT SharePoint as well. So as you see, we already have one of our folders color-coded a pretty purple. So let's see what this looks like on changing the color. So all you have to do is right click the folder that you want, go to the drop down, the folder color, and then you can select from any of these here on the grid. So let's do a little pink color there. So going into one of the folders, let's explore the Microsoft Ambassador folder. Inside here, you can see we already have some of the folders color-coded, and we can just keep color-coding them as we want. Now, there is a little caveat here. So while this is a new feature within Microsoft, you might notice that some of these are easy to color code, whereas some of them are not. So let's go back to the main folder of documents here. Now, let's use this general one as an example. This was created in 2019. So if I right click this doesn't exactly give me the option to color change the folder like how our newer ones do. So this might get updated. Just stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, have fun color coding your folders, and thank you for watching.